Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm one of the instructors here at CPR Training Austin. Today we're going to discuss the bag mask valve device. A bag mask device is used when a patient is not breathing or they aren't breathing adequately. It's often used in two rescuer CPR or during rescue breathing. We're going to call the parts of the system here. It's actually going to come with a mask, the actual one-way valve bag mask device, and this is going to be connected to oxygen on the wall. So we're going to put these two pieces together. You'll notice that one part is pointy here. This will go over the part of the nose, and then the curved part will go on the chin. So we'll place that on the patient. We're going to use the EC technique to deliver these breaths. So I'm going to take these three fingers, lift the chin up, make a C with my hands up here. I'm going to give one breath every 6 seconds here, and then watch for chest rise. We don't want to give too much and overventilate the patient. If you have any questions about this technique, please get in touch with us.